Hello everyone. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic public finance. What is public finance? Public finance is the study of the branch of economics. The study of public finance relates to financial activities of the government, including the financial activities of central government, state government, and local government. The public finance is concerned with the economic activities of the government, but private finance is related to finances of a person. What is the definition of public finance? According to Finlay Shiras, public finance is the study of the principles underlying the spending and raising of funds by public authorities. The concept of public finance is broadly divided into four parts: public revenue, public expenditure, public debt, and financial administration. What are the similarities between private finance and public finance? Maximum advantage, preference of income, scarcity of resources, borrowings, and adjustment of income and expenditure. What are the differences between public finance and private finance? Public finance is macroeconomic problem, but private finance is microeconomic problem. In the case of public finance, the motive is to satisfy public welfare of the people, but in the case of private finance, the motive is to satisfy personal wants. In the case of public finance, the public income is generally adjusted to the public expenditure, but in the case of private finance, the individual adjusts his expenditure on the basis of his income. Public finance is more elastic as compared to private finance. For an individual, big and thoughtful changes in his income and expenditure are not so easy. Public finance also take into consideration for future generation also. An individual is more directed by the present benefits that he is about to obtain. Public finance frames a deficit budget in times of war, depression, or during the process of economic development. An individual generally arranges a surplus budget like high income and lower expenditure. The public finance uses public money for public welfare and therefore cannot be kept secret. The individual financial transactions are his own affair and can be kept secret. The public finance is compulsory in character. Private finance is voluntary in nature. The government can print notes which are legal tender within the country. The private individual enjoys no such right of printing the currency. The government enjoys a very high degree of credit. It can borrow large amounts not only from its citizens but also from the foreigners. But in the case of private finance, has limited source. What is the scope of public finance? Public revenue, public expenditure, public debt, financial administration, and economic stabilization. What are the importance of public finance? Secure state economic growth, price stability, economic stability, equitable distribution, proper allocation of resources, balanced development, promotion of export, and infrastructural development. I hope you understand the topic related to public finance. Thank you.